Hey guys, Aaron here. Today I'm going to be replacing both belts on this EcoBoost, this 3.5 EcoBoost F-150. These procedures will work from 2011 through 2018, which is current. And there's actually two belts, as you may know. There's one just for the AC compressor, and then one for the water pump and alternator, which has a tensioner. The one for the AC compressor does not, so we'll end up just cutting that off. And then I'll show you a quick little tip that I have to install in the new one. But basically, here's the tensioner. You're going to grab a 15 millimeter and you're going to turn it to the left, which is going to relieve the tension on the belt. So get my socket up here. So you turn it, and then with another hand, just go ahead and grab it around the crankshaft to remove it. Alright, so as you can see, there's no tensioner on the air conditioning belt, so what I like to do is just get some cutters and simply cut off the belt and remove it that way. You can stretch it over, but it's just a little more difficult to do that and turn the crankshaft at the same time. So now that we got both belts off, it's time to go ahead and install our new AC compressor belt. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is just take the belt and zip tie it to the top 12 o'clock position of the crankshaft pulley, and then put it around the AC compressor. And now what you're going to want to do is move your zip tie down the pulley, and then take another zip tie and put it where 12 o'clock position is, and that's just going to secure it to the pulley, so when we start turning the pulley, it's not going to move or jump a groove. Alright, lastly, go ahead and put a third zip tie on, and so you have three altogether holding the belt onto the pulley. Once you do that, go ahead and take an 18 millimeter socket and start turning the pulley to the left. It's going to be a little difficult, but it'll snap on eventually. It's snapped on, we just gotta get it on the right groove. Alright, so when you stretch your new belt on and it's all done, go ahead and cut off all your zip ties. Use side cutters and remove those old ones. Now we're going to throw on our new belt. And once you get that on, make sure that the belt's in all the pulleys correctly. There's nothing misaligned. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to start it up, see how everything is, make sure nothing slips off, and hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.